In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity collections and create a lesson plan with just one click using this insane feature. Let's dive in and explore how you can transform your lesson planning routine. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google. In the search bar, type Perplexity AI. When the search results load, look for the official Perplexity website and click on it. This will take you to the home page of Perplexity AI, where all the magic is set to happen. Once you're on the website, keep an eye on the Spaces feature. Click on Spaces to begin creating a new space for your lesson plans. With the Spaces feature, you have the power to generate comprehensive and structured lesson plans effortlessly. Now, hit Create New Space. This is where you can unleash your creativity and customize your space to fit your teaching needs. Start by giving your space a name. Let's call it Instant Lesson Plan Generator. This name sets the stage for what your space will accomplish: a fast and efficient tool to effortlessly generate lesson plans. Now, move on to adding a description. The description is crucial as it tells other users and yourself what your space can do. For example, you could write, "A smart lesson plan creator that builds a complete structured lesson plan from just one keyword." A description that outlines how you can enter a keyword like dogs or fitness and get an entire lesson plan out of it. Next, it's time to add some instructions to guide anyone using the space, and to remind yourself how this space works. Craft a simple yet comprehensive guide, like a simple one-word lesson generator that creates a complete, structured, beginner-friendly lesson plan with title, objectives, activities, vocabulary, assessment, and homework. This step ensures that every feature of your space is clear and easy to use. Once you've put down all the necessary information, don't forget to click Save. This ensures your setup is secure and ready for use. Now, let's test out this incredible tool. Type the word Galaxy into your newly created space and click Submit. The brilliance of this feature lies in its ability to generate an entire lesson plan just from a single keyword. Give it some time to think and load your results. After your result is displayed, you can try another keyword. How about water cycle? Type it in and submit. This process shows you how easy it is to switch between topics and keep your lesson plans fresh and varied. And just like that, with these simple steps, you have tapped into the power of Perplexity AI collections to revolutionize how you plan lessons. Thank you for watching, and happy teaching.